That's a mouse.
I'm different source. Oh, but I never press it. That's my car.
What do you see, Landry?
Girls.
Wow! I know they might press it.
What do you see, Landry?
What is that? Georgia.
Okay. It's,
Can you push it?
Push the button, Landry. Oh, what do you got, Jackson?
What is that?
I need that on the stove.
Wow.
That's
What's
my
this,
favorite.
Landry?
It's cool.
What is that? Watch your fingers. Let's open it and see what it is.
It's on the stove.
Sit on there, Landry.
You gonna sit on the stool? Watch your fingers. Are you so excited?
Yeah.
What's in there?
It's made of. What's that? What's that?
Hold on, I'm gonna open the other end.
It's perfume, Landry.
It's perfume.
Yeah.
What's that?
That's a hairdryer.
Okay, Jackson, see what it is.
It's guitar.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Ooh. Wow.
Look at that! Is that for me?
No.
No.
It's got flames on it and everything, Jackson. What do you think, Jackson?
I'll play with it.
Okay, hold on.